ACTS, which stands for Anthem Cares Through Service, is a nonprofit that serves the Anthem community. From November 16th through 18th, ACTS transformed a North Phoenix Outlet Mall suite into a Festival of Trees.
The Festival of Trees is a two-part fundraiser. So we had our kickoff dinner on Wednesday night. We had over 270 attendees, and we raised over $43,000 that night. The second part of the fundraiser is the Festival of Trees. So it's a 3-day event. Today is our last day, and we're hoping to raise a grand total of approximately $70,000.
A variety of holiday items were donated by residents and businesses to raise money for ACTS.
The donations go towards families that are in need in the Anthem area, and it's usually a one-time emergency need where they may have been in an accident or became ill and had to be off of work and unable to pay the rent or their mortgage, so we help them not to get evicted from their home. Also, we help with utilities, and we also do scholarships.
A big part of the fundraiser is selling tickets for people to drop into a box next to their favorite tree. But it didn't just stop at the trees.
And another fun thing that we have is our wine pull. So every night from 5 to 8, we're doing a wine pull where you can make a $20 donation. Then you get to pick a cork that has a number on it, and then you get to search the wine wall and find your bottle of wine. And we do have one bottle in there that's worth over $330.
To anyone who hasn't heard of ACTS or wants to get in the holiday spirit, Leanne has this message.
Get involved. Come see us today.
For Cronkite News, I'm Elizabeth Klein reporting.